lingers after fire.
Welcome back to the Burnout Bobby YouTube channel, and today we're going to work on the spree.
What are we doing to the spree today? Working on the transmission?
Yep.
We're trying to make it faster?
Yep.
Is that how we do bikes around here?
Yes, sir.
What day is today?
Christmas.
So what do you got to say to everybody?
Happy Christmas.
That's right. If you guys don't know, this is Noah. It's my nephew. He comes up and visits usually every year. Noah's real big into sports like soccer, and whenever he comes up, we like to shoot some videos together. And
Yep.
What was the last bike you worked on?
I don't know.
I don't remember what it was. Might have been one of the Ruckuses. So we're gonna go ahead and Noah, if you can get that bag over there, white bag. You go ahead and bring it on the table there and open it up. You got drive figs there. Got a new belt, 835. And OKO.
Something from China.
Logo variator. Got some Dr. Foley weights. And then a fuel filter. If you guys watched the last video, I made one of those. That's done. So now we're going to go ahead and on the transmission side and start getting this rolling, right? Alright. Alright, now what do we got here?
So these normally come with circle ones.
Rollers?
Yeah, rollers. So then we're just gonna dump those out and put some sliders in.
Now how are those supposed to go?
So this part right here upwards. So just like that.
Nope. You just want to correct that. You want...
I forgot what is just like
Dr. Pulley on there. You want that facing up, just like that.
that.
Nope. So a little more towards you. Flip it. Yep. Now push it back, just like that. Yep. That's how you want them all to go. I'm gonna check and make sure you put them all on the same, because it looks like you're putting them different on me here.
What?
Yeah, I'm just saying. I'm looking. That first one don't look like the others. That's how it's supposed to be. Nope. Why'd you just... Man.
I didn't understand.
That's the right way, just like that, yeah. So you gotta make sure the rest of them all match that. There you go. I don't know if maybe you're testing me, or is that what you're doing?
Mm-hmm.
You are testing me, huh? I was figuring that much.
And they're all supposed to look like that.
That's
I
right.
put these just right here.
Yeah, you can just put those away in there. So then next, there's the backing plate, which is that little black plate there that you see to your right hand. And in that are those orange grooves. So you're supposed to slide those in there. You see the little spaces formed?
Here?
No, on the black plate. Right there. Each one goes in there. They won't be super snug, they'll kind of loose, but they'll fit right in there. See how they have a little groove on it? Yeah, just like that. And then you flip that plate over and slide it onto the... Yeah.
There.
Flip it over and then slide on top of that barrier. Perfect, dude. That's how you do it. So next up, we're going to bring that to the other side of the bike and we'll start getting that rolling, right?
Yep.
Okay. Alright, so now we're on the transmission side. We have the barrier slid on there. Noah has the drive case bolt off, so now he's going to take off the clutch bolt. So you're going to get on there nice and snug. There you go. Beautiful job, man. Like you've done that before. Keep that to the side. Keep that washer to the side next to it. There you go. Now that is going to slide off that black cover there. Woo! Look at this guy. Like you've done this before, man. Then you can take, that's the clutch right there. So you can take the clutch out. Yep. Put that to the side. Now, we're going to do a little tricky part here. We're going to put that belt on. Right? So, here's what we're going to have to do. You're going to slide the whole thing through here, kind of at an angle. Okay, Mr. Noah. What are we doing now? Putting the
So now we're gonna put like
cover back
the
on?
cover.
And it has blinds on, so you're going to go ahead and just turn it a little bit. You can rock it back and forth a little bit and start pushing at the same time. There you go. Give it a little oomph. Give it a little power. There you go.
Now we're putting the
washer.
The washer. Then a little wax glue.
Loctite.
Loctite.
That's right. That keeps everything together, right?
Yep.
Just put a little bit on the end there. You can watch it coming out. Perfect. That's a perfect amount. Now the big thing is, see how he's putting it on first? Other way. So flip it around. The bolt.
Oh.
Yep. Just like that. So he's putting that on by hand first. And we do that so that we don't cross thread. You don't have to force it on. It'll thread on nice and smooth, just like that. And you just keep going until you can't anymore. And then once he gets it nice and snug, he'll go on it with the electric impact on. Now that you got that on there, you're going to put that on. Give a little bit more ooga-doogas. Let it rip. Hold it on there nice and tight and push. There you go. And then what we'll work on next is the front dry face. I'm going to give him a hand with that because the belt is brand new and tight. So I'll go ahead and put the camera down and give him a hand, and then we'll go over that part next. Right now?
Yep.
You having fun?
Yes.
You learning some new things? Yeah? I'm learning new things from you too. You've been testing me all day. What do we just do here now?
So we just put the gold
Dry face?
Dry face. Then we put the washer, then the Loctite.
Oh yeah, you need that, right?
Yep. Because if you don't, it might not be as well.
Yeah, it might fall off when you're riding.
Yeah, and we don't want that. Then we put the
nut there?
The nut. We twist it as far as we can.
Yep.
After that, we hit it with the power drill. And I don't know what's next.
Now, what was the trick that we had to do with the belt to make sure that I can get on there good? That's right.
We had to pinch this as hard as you can and bring it to here so you can put these on.
That's right. That's a neat little trick you can do when you're putting a brand new belt on because they do get pretty tight. So I guess what we can do is we can go to the other side here, right? And then what else was left in that bag that we had? There was that little clear filter, wasn't there?
Yeah.
There it is. So that goes on the fuel line here. So we're going to have to cut it and it's going to smell like gas. So it's going to be kind of interesting, alright?
Okay.
Alright, Mr. Noah, what did we just do?
So we just cut this. We added the gasoline filter.
Yep.
And there's always an arrow that tells you which way it's going to flow. So always follow the arrows. If not, you might mess it up.
Yeah. So this one tells you to flow this way, so it goes from the gas line through the filter into the carburetor there. This part here is your carburetor. So that's what starts the bike up, makes loud noises. So you want the gasoline to be clean, and that filter cleans the gasoline when it comes in. So it's a must to have, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I ran it without having it on there, and it ran so bad. So I knew I needed it, but I was too excited. You know, it happens to get too exciting when you're building stuff, right?
Yep.
Make mistakes. So we knocked out a good part of stuff today. We put a bunch of parts on.
And we did it pretty quick too.
Yeah, can't complain.
I mean, it's Christmas. On Christmas, you can't complain any.
Right? We
You
had
can
some
never
time to kill,
complain.
so we said, hey, why not go ahead and work on the screen for Christmas, right?
Yep.
So what do you got to say to the people?
Have a happy Christmas,
Mhm.
and I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you don't subscribe or like, you're not a real fan. See y'all later. Peace out. Have a good day.